If you've been waiting for the right time to find your replacement property, I've got great news. The best time isn't in the future, it's right now. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Let me share why today's market offers incredible opportunities for homeowners like you. First, let's talk about current market conditions. Inventory is increasing both nationally and right here in the Tucson metro area. New listings have been steadily growing over the past couple of quarters. Starting your property search now means you'll have more choices and avoid the competition that often ramps up in the early, busier spring market. Second, don't forget the power of your home equity. As a homeowner, you've likely built significant equity over the years. According to CoreLogic, the average homeowner now has about $315,000 in equity. That equity can be leveraged to help you move into a home that's better suited to your current needs, whether you're downsizing as an empty nester or upgrading to accommodate a growing family. Finally, real estate remains one of the most stable and rewarding investments. Moving into a replacement property not only enhances your lifestyle, but positions you to continue building wealth over time. Don't let hesitation cost you the perfect opportunity. With more inventory, favorable market conditions, and the equity you've earned, there's no better time to make your move. Reach out to me today and let's create a plan to find your ideal replacement home. Together, we'll make it happen. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.